Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Lachey and today we will be making this cute little box. I used a Sizzix die to cut this. We'll be embellishing. We will also be making a thank you card to go along with it and a pillow box die. So I made this for a coworker at my job. I'm not sure which one of these I want to give, the pillow box or the traditional box, but we'll see. So here's what we're going to use. This is the Sizzix die I used to cut the box itself out, Sizzix die, and this came with my Sizzix Plus. But there is a little number on there. I'm not sure if you all can see that. Trying to get it in focus. Sizzix box number 660515A. So I love this die. This is a thinlits die. Let's see. We will be using Tattered Florals from Tim Holtz. This is a steel rule die. I love these. We'll be using this to embellish as well. Tattered Florals, Tattered Leaves, and Jenna Long. This is the pillow box. I'm so excited. Let's hop right into the crafts right along. And we'll also be using, we'll also be using, this is the paper pad I used. I know some people like to see the paper pads. So I got this some years ago. Let me see if I can get it all the way into focus for you guys. I got this some years ago at Michael's, maybe about 2 years ago. I'm not sure if they still have it. It came with a lot of different accessories, but let's get into some crafting. So I've already pre-scored and pre-cut. So what you want to do is just take your tape runner and just go along the outside of the box. And I'm out of tape. Never fear, I love AdTech. I'm using my AdTech tape runner. So, as you can see, I use it a lot. So we'll put glue on that side and glue on that side. Okay, and what you want to do is just take it and line it up here, just like that. And I'm going to use my bone fold to make sure that's stuck. And you want to go into the other side and just fold it nicely. And we're going to give it a good score. All right, so that's your box. Just that quickly, in a nutshell, that's your box. So it folds like this. I love these pillow boxes. They are so convenient, so convenient. That's my dog barking. He barks at almost everything, so please excuse that. These are so quick and easy. If you just wanted to give like a quick thank you to someone, I love these. So we'll set that aside for embellishing. And next we're going to do our box. So like I said, I've already pre-scored these, and this is the top of the box. We'll do the top last. So what you want to do is just take and run the glue runner right across the flaps of the box, okay? And I may have used a little bit too much glue, too much of the tape runner, but so then you're going to take it and take your bone fold. You're going to set this one down and take your bone fold again. And like I said, I've already pre-scored. So we're going to do the box part last. Now this is the top of the box. So we want to fold that in just like so. Just like that. And you want to go into the box and give it a good scrape. Okay, Next, we're going to turn it upside down so we can get glue. Tape right on those sides. Get it nice and sticky. Now, this box doesn't close easily, so we're going to... The box is done just that quickly. Just that quickly, the box is done. And let me fix this flap. I'm not a perfectionist, but I like things to look nice. So the box is done, but the box doesn't automatically close, like the lid pops up. So what I did was took some hook and loop squares and just cut a little piece, about that big, cut a little piece off, and we are going to stick it here, and we'll take this piece just to keep it closed so that when we are giving it to someone, it won't just pop open. So the box is now closed. I think that's cute. Okay, so we're finished. Lastly, we're gonna do our card. So I wasn't sure what card base we should choose. I cut out 2 different types. So let's bring in our pillow box just to see how we coordinate this. Because I like for things to look nice. I don't like giving people crappy gifts. So here's our box, and here's our pillow box. And I wanted this to be a sympathy gift. One of these I'm going to fill with kisses, Hershey Kisses for the person. This person had a death in their family, and I just wanted to make them something that said, I care about you. So I bought these from Joann Fabrics a while ago, and I think we might use the sympathy one just to embellish with sympathy. Get well soon. So let's see what that looks like on the front of this, and would that go with this? That's very nice. I like that. So I feel like the card is missing some zhuzh. I want to zhuzh it up a bit. And also, like I said, I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are border stickers, and that's what I use to embellish this box. This box is super cute. I love it. So what we're gonna do really quickly, I don't really like it for the card. I think the card is done, but again, let's take some and put it right here. I think that'll be cute. I bought these little scissors from the Dollar Tree, and these things work so well. I use them a lot. So, okay, that's done. So now what we want to do, we'll set that to the side. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. We'll use this for something else, another project. I got these from Hobby Lobby. So I'm thinking maybe, because the card looks a little basic to me, I'm gonna write something in the card. But I think I want to place that about right there. Oh, that's cute. So I want to put this here. I don't know. The box is already cute. Do we want to go to the top with the box? I want to make the ribbon a little even, a little more even. Do we want to put that on the top? Yes, let's go with the top. I have my glue gun already here. And this is looking basic. This one's looking basic. Not liking that too much. I've cut out some embellishments. What do we want to do? That's kind of cute. Okay, I'm here for that because it matches. Just give it a little bit of tape. I'm here for that. That's cute. We like it. Okay. Now, yes, here we go. Perfect. 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 So what I'm going to do is use my glue gun to glue that down. All right. Wonderful. So I think it's lacking. Yes. Okay. Now, do we want to still put that on there though? Because that kind of doesn't match. And we don't have to do the bow. The bow is cute, but I mean, it's not absolute must. This is cute. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm here for that. That's cute. I'm feeling that. And then we'll give the front of the box a little bit of a pop as well. So we've got our card done. We've got this done. All we want to do to this one is just add a little pearl or something. Where are my pearls? Here we go. We'll just add a little pearl to the tip of it, since the theme seems to be pearls and diamonds. That's cute. So we want to keep that flow going. So we'll add one here and put some glue on that. Hot glue on that. Hot glue that. Bam. Okay. Okay. That's what we're doing. Okay. It's looking good. And the last thing is to embellish the box about right here. I am loving this project. Okay, so let's cut this out. I want to kind of center this. You got to be careful with these. These are so sticky. So sticky. But we're done. All right. So we've got our card, our box, and if you would like to see more crafts from me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is one of my first videos. I plan to make more, and hopefully I can get the editing right and that sort of thing so we can get right into the crafting. Thank you all for watching, and the last thing I want to do, I'm looking at this now, it needs a pearl. Bam. Thank you so much. You all have a wonderful day.